Hello, today I'm going to show you my Dala horse quilt. This particular little quilt was inspired by these iconic wooden horses that come from Sweden, and they're called Dala horses, and they're as iconic to Sweden as the Russian dolls are to the Russians, and they're just fabulous shapes that are folk art painted. I had this flowery horse right in the middle here, thinking that that was going to be the way forward, and it wasn't until I got the whole thing sewn up and it just didn't work for me, because that red really sang out and it had to be in the middle there. And you can see, I'll just go back onto the fussy cutting again. You can see that with this, I had this sort of like a little trellis effect, this particular fabric, and just the way that I use that, it looks just a tiny weeny bit like a bridle on there. So we need to look towards the border. And again, I've used half square triangles, which I've assembled into a very lovely zigzag design. I've got a frame of cream round the outside edge first, and then I've got these little half square triangles.